How wonderful will it be for you to walk into a market and conduct your business from beginning to the very end in Igbo language? That is exactly what we're bringing to you in this video. So sit back and watch this video till the very end, and you'll be glad you did. Let's move on to class without wasting your time. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. No, that's how we welcome you to class this day. And we're going to cover 38 short phrases and sentences that will take care of your movement from when you leave your house, transact your businesses in the market, and come back home successfully in Igbo language. So let's begin. As you can see from the board, we are having the first sentence. I am going to market. I am going to market. What is that in Igbo language? It is anam aga ahia. Anam aga ahia. Please take note of the color codes because they are meant to guide you on the individual meaning of each word. With this, you have expansion of your vocabulary in Igbo language. So pay attention to the color of each word. They are meant to match their respective meaning. I am going to market. Anam aga ahia. Let's move on from here. The next word is let market favor you. That is a wish we give to somebody going to market. How do we say that in Igbo language? You say ka ahia baragi. Ka ahia baragi. Now, other people can say, let me go back to that, sorry. Other people can just say ahia oma o, ahia oma, that is good market. But we can also say ka ahia baragi, let market favor you. That's how we greet someone going to market. Let's move on. The next one is buy something for me. That's what children will always say to their mom, or husband can say that to a wife, or a wife to a husband. Buy something for me. What does that mean in Igbo language? Zotaram ihe. Zotaram ihe. Zota is to buy. M is representing me. Ihe is something. Zotaram ihe. Let's move on to the next phrase or sentence. Have you arrived? Talking about a customer in the market welcoming you to the market. Have you arrived? What is that in Igbo language? Ibiarutego. Ibiarutego. Pay attention to the color codes. Ibiarutego. Have you arrived? Move on from here. The next one, number 5 phrase or sentence is welcome to our shop. Welcome to our shop. Somebody is welcoming you to his own or her shop to start shopping. What is that in Igbo language? No, no do ahia anyị. No, no do ahia anyị. Odo ahia is shop or place of business. Odo ahia. So we're welcoming you to the shop. Move on to phrase or sentence number 6. And this is, what do you want? A question to a customer that just come to market. What do you want? In Igbo, that means, gini ka I choro. Gini is what? Ka. Do you, ka I choro, want. Gini ka I choro. What do you want? Gini ka I choro. That is that in Igbo. Phrase number 7. I want soup ingredients. I want soup ingredients. What is that in Igbo language? Achorom ihofe. Achorom ihofe. Achorom, I want. Achorom, I want. Ihe something. Ofe is soup, generally in Igbo language. Achorom ihofe. I want soup ingredient. But there are other things you can desire to buy from the market. So let's consider other things you can say you want in the market. Another one is, I want to buy clothes. I want to buy clothes. What is that in Igbo language? Achorom izota aqua. Sometimes we just call this izu for short, izu aqua. But the full word is izota aqua, to buy clothes. Achorom izota aqua. I want to buy clothes. Aqua is clothes, but pay attention to the sound. Aqua, that is clothes. If it changes to aqua, it becomes cry. If it changes to aqua, it becomes bed. If you are used to our own channel, you would have known where we treated the one Igbo word, several meanings. The video is right here. You can check in the description box to get that video on one word, multiple meanings in Igbo language. That will help you very well. So check the description box of this video for that. Let's move on. Sentence number 9. I want to buy footwear. Another thing you can buy. I want to buy footwear. What is that in Igbo language? We call it achorom. Izota. By now you would have known that achorom is I want. Izota is to buy. We've repeated this severally here. So this time around, footwear is akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Akpụkpọ ụkwụ. So achorom izota akpụkpọ ụkwụ is I want to buy footwear. Are there other things we can buy? Of course, yes. I want to buy hair materials. I want to buy hair materials. What is that in Igbo language? As you can see in the shop here, they are selling hair materials. Let's look at what it means in Igbo language. Achorom izota ihe eji eme isi. Ihe eji eme isi, or for short, ihe isi. Ihe isi as hair materials. Ihe eji eme something materials for doing hair. Ihe eji eme isi. Achorom izota ya. Can we move on from here? What other things can you buy? I want to buy food items. Food items. So what is that in Igbo language? Iho riri. Iho riri. Of course, we have repeated achorom izota several times, so you should have known that by now. So what we are buying now is iho riri, food items. Achorom izota iho riri. Let's move on from here. I want to buy food items. Okay, we'll move on. The next is, how much is this? We want to start pricing now. How much is this? What is that in Igbo language? Ego ole bụ nke a. Ego ole bụ nke a. Look at the color codes. Ego ole is how much. Ego ole, how much. Bo is nke a, this. So pay attention to the color codes. Ego ole bụ nke a. Now let the seller say the price. It is 500 naira. It is 500 naira. What is that in Igbo language? Obo naira. Nari naira ise. Obo nari naira ise. Nari is 100 in Igbo language. Naira, of course, is a direct adoption of naira in Igbo language. So obo, it is nari, that is 100. Ise is 5. So nari ise is 500. But naira has to come in between. Nari naira ise 5. That is 500 naira. Don't mind the way it is arranged. But it's nari naira ise. That's how we pronounce it. Obo nari naira ise. Let's move on. We are still conversing on this particular item. Please sell it 300 naira. We are bargaining now for price. How do we say that in Igbo language? Biko reya nari ato. Biko, of course, you know is please. Re is sell. Reya, sell it. Nari ato. Nari is 100, of course, you know. Ato is 3. So we're asking for it to be sold 300. Nari ato 300. That is the plea from the buyer now. Let's go on to the next response. No, add money to it. How is that said in Igbo language? Look at it, the tone sound. High, low. High, low. If you just say it does not mean that. If you say it's not that. E is in Igbo language, so it's no. Some will say mba. It also means the same thing. In some clans in Igbo language or Igbo tribe, they say mba instead of saying but is more accepted. That is no. Tinye ya ego. Tinye is add. Ya it. Ego, money. Tinye ya ego. Let's move on from here. And the next we have is, let me add 100 naira. Let me add 100 naira. How is that said in Igbo language? Kam tinye otu nari naira. Kam tinye otu. Of course, you know otu is 1. Tinye is add. Kam, let me. Of course, you know kam tinye otu nari naira. Biko kam tinye otu nari naira. Let me add 100. Wait a minute. Have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not done so, do so right now. That's about the only way you can encourage us to do more. Please like and share these videos to help others discover us and learn this Igbo language. In case you need Igbo book in your library, you can access just 1 or 2 of them now right in the description box of this video. Check it out. Click on the link to the one you want, and that will take you straight to our bookshop where you can get any book you want right now, today. Thank you for doing that. God bless you. Let's go on with our lesson right away. Naira. Move on from here. What is the response of the seller? Now, bring money. How do we say that in Igbo language? Ngwa, weta ego. Ngwa, weta ego. Ngwa, weta ego. Look at the color codes that will guide you. Ngwa, weta ego is asking for the buyer to pay now. Wereya, haven't paid. Wereya, oh, take the money. Wereya, how do we say that? Take it. Wereya, take it. We are moving on from here. And the next is after paying, pack my goods for me. How do we say that in Igbo language? Pack my goods for me. Kechere m ngwa ahịa m. Kechere m ngwa ahịa m. Kechie is tie up or pack it. Ngwa ahịa is goods. Ngwa ahịa is goods. Ngwa ahịa. But when you add m, it becomes my goods. Ngwa ahịa m. So, kechere m ngwa ahịa m. Pack my goods for me. Kechere m ngwa ahịa m. Let's move on from here. And we are going. The response is, it's okay. The seller is now responding, it's okay. I will do that for you. How do we say that in Igbo? Ọ dị mma. Ọ dị mma is okay. Ọ dị mma, accepted. Let's move on. You have not given me change. The buyer is now complaining. You've not given me change. How do we say that in Igbo? Inyebeghị m mgbanwe. Inyebeghị m mgbanwe. Change is mgbanwe in Igbo language. Inyebeghị m, you've not given me. Not given me. Not given me. Inyebeghị m mgbanwe. You've not given me change. Let's go on. It's true. Have it. The seller responded. It's true. Have it. How do we say that? Ọ bụ eziokwu o. Were ya. Ọ bụ eziokwu. It is true. Ọ bụ eziokwu. It is true. Were ya. Take it or have it. Let's move on from here. Haven't settled the transaction. Let me help you carry it. The seller is asking the buyer, oh, can I help you? Let me carry it for you. Let me help you carry it. How do we say that in Igbo? We say, ka m nyere gị aka ibu ya. Ka m nyere gị aka, let me help you. Ka m nyere gị aka, let me help you. Ibu ya, to carry it. Ibu ya, to carry it. So let's combine them together. Ka m nyere gị aka ibu ya, let me help you carry it. And what is the response of the buyer? Don't disturb yourself. Don't disturb yourself. How do we say that in Igbo? Esogbula onwe gị. Esogbula. Don't disturb. Don't trouble. Onwe gị, yourself. Onwe gị, yourself. Esogbula onwe gị. Don't trouble yourself. Let's move on. Thanks for patronizing me. The seller thanks the buyer. How do we say that in Igbo language? Imeela as thanks or daalụ. We also use that. Maka for. Ịgba anyị aka ahịa. Ịgba aka ahịa is patronage. Ịgba aka ahịa is patronage. So, imeela maka ịgba anyị. This is us. Ịgba anyị aka ahịa. Thanks for patronizing us. Imeela maka ịgba anyị aka ahịa. Let's move from here. The next is please come next time. Pleading with the buyer to come next time. How do we say that in Igbo? Biko bịa mgbe ọzọ. Biko bịa mgbe ọzọ. Biko bịa mgbe ọzọ. Please come next time. And what is the response of the buyer? No problem. I will come. No problem. I will come. How do we say that in Igbo language? Nsogbu adịghị. There is no problem. Nsogbu adịghị. Aga m abịa. Aga m abịa. I will come. Aga m abịa. I will come. No problem. Bye. Till next time. The seller tells the buyer, bye. Till next time. How do we say that in Igbo language? Ka emesịa. Ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ. Ka emesịa. Bye. Ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ. Till next time. mgbe ọzọ, next time. Ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ, ka emesịa, ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ. That's lovely. Then, back home now. You are back from market. The husband asks the wife. You are back from market. How do we say that in Igbo language? Ilotago ahia. Ilotago ahia. You're back from market. Let's hear what the wife will say. Yes, my good husband. Yes, my good husband. How do we say that in Igbo? Remember when it was no, our sound was But when it is yes, the sound is high. Not No is high, low. But yes is dimoma, my good husband. Dimoma, yes, my good husband. That's lovely. And we'll move on. Welcome. What did you buy? The husband is still querying the wife. Welcome. What did you buy? Let's see how that is said in Igbo. No. Or ndewo. Gịnị ka ị zụtara? What did you buy? Gịnị ka ị zụtara? Let's see how wife responds to that. I bought many things. How do we say that in Igbo language? I bought many things. Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe. Azụtara m ọtụtụ ihe. Ọtụtụ ihe meaning many things. Ọtụtụ many. Ihe things. Ọtụtụ ihe. Azụtara m, I bought. Azụtara m, I bought. Ọtụtụ ihe, many things. What are the things you bought? Like what and what? Like what and what? How do we say that in Igbo language? Dịka, gịnị na gịnị, what and what? Gịnị na gịnị. Dịka, like. Dịka, gịnị na gịnị. Let's see the things that the wife bought. I bought soup things, clothes, and rice. I bought soup things, clothes, and rice. How is that said in Igbo language? Azụtara m ihe ofe, soup things, akwa, clothes, and osikapa, rice. Azụtara m ihe ofe, akwa, na osikapa. I bought soup things, clothes, and rice. Azụtara m ihe ofe, clothes, ihe ofe, akwa, na osikapa. That's very lovely. So many things. Let's move on from here. Did you buy bread? There's an inquiry here. The husband is looking for something. Did you buy bread? Let's hear how that is said in Igbo language. Ịzụtaghị achịcha. Oh, you didn't buy bread. Sorry, I made a mistake. You didn't buy bread? That's a question. You didn't buy bread? Ịzụtaghị achịcha. From here you can see that achịcha is bread. Ịzụtaghị, you didn't buy. Ịzụtaghị achịcha. You didn't buy bread? Let's hear the response from the wife. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I forgot. How is that said? Ewo, echefuru m ya. Oh, I forgot it. Ewo, echefuru m ya. Wow. Sorry, my dear. Echefuru m ya. I forgot it. And then how will he comfort the husband? I will buy it another day. I will buy it another day. How is that said in Igbo language? Aga m azụta ya, I will buy it. Aga m azụta ya, I will buy it. Ụbọchị ọzọ, another day. Ụbọchị ọzọ, another day. Ọzọ is another. Ụbọchị is day. Aga m azụta ya, ụbọchị ọzọ. I will buy it another day. And he goes on to say, let me cook soup now. Enough of talk. Let me cook soup. How is that said in Igbo language? Ka m sie ofe. Ofe is soup. Ka m sie, let me cook ofe. Ka m sie ofe, let me cook soup. Thank you for being with us to this point in time, and I believe you have learned a lot from this. On the screen are 2 videos we've selected, and we think they'll be very helpful for you. So click on either of them, watch now, and thank us later. Joku Koziegi. See you in the next video.